Certainly. Here are some distinguishable features of dolphins that set them apart from other marine mammals. 1. Streamlined body. Dolphins have a sleek and streamlined body shape, which allows them to move through the water with great efficiency. Their bodies are adapted for swimming, with a fusiform shape and a dorsal fin that helps with stability. 2. Blowhole. Dolphins have a blowhole located on the top of their heads. This is a specialized nostril that allows them to breathe while keeping most of their body submerged. Dolphins can quickly open and close their blowhole to take in air when they surface. 3. Teeth. Dolphins have a set of sharp, conical teeth that are adapted for catching and gripping prey. Their teeth are designed for grasping and tearing rather than chewing, as dolphins typically swallow their prey whole. 4. Echolocation. Dolphins possess a remarkable ability called echolocation. They emit high-frequency clicks or sounds and listen for the echoes that bounce back from objects in their environment. This helps them navigate, locate prey, and communicate with other dolphins. 5. Social behavior. Dolphins are highly social animals and often live in groups called pods. They exhibit complex social structures and engage in cooperative behaviors such as hunting, protecting each other, and raising their young together. 6. Intelligence. Dolphins are known for their high level of intelligence. They have large brains relative to their body size and display advanced cognitive abilities. They are capable of problem solving, learning, and even using tools in some cases. 7. Communication. Dolphins communicate with each other using a combination of vocalizations, body language, and behaviors. They produce a wide range of clicks, whistles, and other sounds to convey information and maintain social bonds. 8. Adaptations for swimming. Dolphins have a powerful tail fluke that allows them to swim at high speeds. They also have pectoral fins, which they use for steering and maneuvering in the water. 9. Warm-blooded. Like all mammals, dolphins are warm-blooded, meaning they can regulate their body temperature internally. This allows them to thrive in a wide range of oceanic environments. These are some of the key features that distinguish dolphins from other marine mammals. Their streamlined body, blowhole, teeth, echolocation ability, social behavior, intelligence, communication, adaptations for swimming, and warm-blooded nature make them fascinating and unique creatures of the sea.